We got half of it done, half the kitchen and living room. And we're working on in the hallway. Jeff getting it done. So we got this master closet. It's real small. First I gotta get these old baseboards off, clean this up, and then start laying this luxury vinyl floor. We've already done this room and pretty much the whole house. So we got like this little closet in there and then this little closet. Stay tuned. I also forgot to mention we will be doing a different trim all the way around. Clean this up. clean. Now I'm about to start laying floors. I was thinking I was gonna start like this way, right here from the door, and work my way in, but the floors are already going this way. So I'm gonna have to start on this side and go this way. And I'll show you how to do that. So I could do them all no cuts, but then it won't look as good. So this first one, I'm gonna put it in here just like it is. Obviously I gotta notch this little side out right here so it can fit in. And then after that, I'll kind of space out where I'm cutting them and it'll look good. So stay tuned. Got all the floors in. Took me maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes. It's real small. Now I'll be cutting the trim, putting it in here. Got it pretty much done. Obviously it needs some caulking, touch up painting. I have to wait on this side because I need my table saw to trim it down because it won't fit perfect. That's pretty much it right there. Like I said, it needs caulk, paint, all that good stuff, but that's it. That easy. So yeah, we've been renovating this whole thing, and I'll be showing you more stuff like this. Some projects we'll be doing, but we got the vanity. I got this kind of covered up. We got this tile put in, new toilet, vanities, brand new shower, all the tile work. We kind of marked where the drywall guy needs to patch up some stuff. So we did all this trim around the windows, floor, hallway. I still got to do this little spot. This whole room's done, just needs trim. We did all this tile, new vanity, excuse me, toilet, new shower, two new tub, lights. Obviously that is going to be a new vanity light there, just the old one. This room, all the trim's done. Still got to do the trim around the door. Trim needs, much of work needs to be done. So there was a big mantle up here. We took that down. We put the shiplap. Already trimmed that out. This electric fireplace. Then we got a little dry bar we created here. This was a little closet. We'll put some shelves up here. And then the lights there, island. Still have to finish up a little bit of flooring here. So now I just gotta wait for my sink to come in. I'll install that and then I'll put the countertops on. So yeah, and then I'll be redoing this deck. There's definitely gonna be a video on me redoing this whole deck. And yeah, that's pretty much it, 5 acres. So yeah. So I appreciate y'all guys watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Like I said, I'll be doing a deck. I'll be showing you all kinds of stuff when they come do the granite, the sinks, some more trim work. We're gonna make this backyard crazy. So yeah, stay tuned and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.